Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how you get that trending now. So you can see on top of my title, it says trending now, and today I'll be showing you how to get that. So it's really simple and it's really easy, and apparently this is supposed to help you get views, which I'm not really sure how true that is, because it apparently puts your video in trending now. But I mean, I don't really think it doesn't really do that in my opinion. I think it's just for the cool trending now on top. So basically, to do this is you want to make sure you have YouTube installed, obviously, and make sure YouTube is updated. So you can do this on iOS or Android. It's basically the same way. So basically, you go to you upload a video and you go to the video uploaded. So say I want this video here on top. Now say I want the video below that. So I'm gonna tap on it. You have to see that there's no top trending or whatever on top of the title. So to get that, you tap on the three dots to the right of it. Tap on edit. Scroll down to location, and then tap on location, and tap on trending now. And once you do that, you have to tap on one that says just trending now. So tap on this one top, trending now, and tap on save. And then when you guys go to exit out, and then when you guys go back to the video, you will see that on top it says trending now. So pretty cool, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.